Hey guys, I'm Nick. Welcome back to the Lawn Care Masterclass, and this time I'm going to have a close look at this lawn and see what issues we've got to deal with this year. Right, so now what we're going to do is actually have a close look at the lawn, see what's in there and see what we've got to do this year. Right, so as we have a look around at the lawn here, we can see what we're dealing with. So we have, in quite a lot of places, we have a lot of weeds that we're going to need to deal with, and you'll have seen the videos that I've been posting already that show different weed types, and most of those have come from this lawn, so we've got a lot to deal with in there. In addition to that, we have a fair amount of moss in this lawn, and that's a separate process, and we'll go through the planning of how to remove the moss that's there and deal with the space that's left afterwards. Where we have the larger broadleaf weeds that cause blank areas once they've been killed off, we're going to deal with seeding the areas that have been left afterwards. Although the borders in this lawn were cut in a few years ago, we're going to have to recut some of these borders, the border lines, so we've actually got a good shape to where the line is. It has actually deteriorated and does need recutting again. So we'll cover that, and also how to keep the edge tidy once it's been done. There also are a few areas where there's actually damage at the side, so I'll show you actually how to do an edge repair for where you do have slightly damaged edges. Not sure how well you can see from this angle, but there is a lot of variation in the level of this garden. So what we're also going to be doing is looking at how to use a bulky top dressing to actually level out the lawn and give us a nice smooth surface. We also have individual dips in the lawn that have dropped over time where we can do some repairs and actually overseed and fix those. And although you can't really see it here, one of the major problems this lawn has is drainage. At the moment we've had a really wet period of winter, and this lawn is really soggy. Every time I walk on it, it squelches, and there's a lot of mud left on the surface, so we're hoping that with the process we can do this year, we're going to fix that problem as well. Right, so there we go. That's all the issues we've got to have a look at on this lawn for this year. They'll be broken up into a lot of parts so we can actually cover everything, so there'll be a lot of detail and explain exactly how we deal with each part individually. We'll also be looking at very soon for the next part to look at planning how you're going to deal with the issues of your garden through the year. See you soon.